So this is a typical project setup in JSV-Visitor. This project tab has basically your rendering image, some content about the project. You get control over these 3 ads. You can upload your own company logo and custom brand the colors to match your website. When you click over on the Photos tab, this is sorting all your progress photos by week number. So if you want to jump around and check out a different week number, you can, and by clicking the next arrows you can advance through. There's a play all feature that's just going to forward to the next image. You can also share these images by grabbing the URL. You can email the photo, and then if it's a public project that you're sharing publicly, you can share with Twitter. You can also save the image if you have rights to save the image. So you can pull the original or grab the large image. And if you're an administrator, you can also edit the photo from this area. So then over on the plan viewer, this is where you can view time-lapse points. So this is a time-lapse of all the photos taken from this specific location. You can drill really deep into the photo from here if you need to take a better look, and you can also go full screen by using these controls at the bottom. So we'll take that back. You can jump back to your plan. If you need to see what's going on a different floor, you just click the floor you're interested in. By clicking on any of these miscellaneous points, you're going to see a photo taken from that location. So that's what those dots represent. And if we jump over into the search feature, this is where you can search photos. So if I want to find all the steel photos between a certain week, I can hit search and it's going to pull those up, and I can click on them and get more information. So now if we jump over into the admin section, this is where some really cool things happen. After you've uploaded some photos with the photo uploader, you can tag them. And the way the tagger works is we bring up a floor plan. It has all the time-lapse points on it. So you can either tag a photo to a location like this. So this pulls up the picture point type as this specific point location. You can also tie it to different folders. So if this had to do with rebar or masonry, you can tag it to different folders, type your own description, and hit save. That photo gets tagged to that location, that point location. Or if you want, you can drill in. Say for example, this photo of this little structure has to do with this image here on the plan. So I'm just going to call this the clubhouse. I'll hit save. Now if I'm back in the plan viewer and I want to go find that point down the road, I can drill really deep into this image, and if I hover over this, I can see this is tagged as clubhouse, and when I click on it, that's the image I just dropped there. So your images are always available. And same thing goes with the point management section. Select the plan that you want, drill into the plan, and then just drag the point that you want to drop on your plan, name it, and hit save. And that's how easy JSV-Visitor is.